여러분 안녕하세요. Hello everyone. It's been a while since I uploaded the previous video clip. So today I'm gonna explain 4 different methods to make Korean syllable. So 4 format to create a Korean syllable. 자, everyone knows about what is syllable means, right? 자, a syllable means a minimal unit to make a word, right? 자, in most of the languages using vowels consonant, normally creates a syllable. Yeah. For example, in English word apple, so A-P-P-L-E, right? So different consonant vowel next to each other creates a word, right? So in Korean though, we have a slightly different concept than English word. For example, 자, number 1 format. 자, so far we learned 21 vowels in Korean. I hope everyone studied my previous video clip about vowel consonant, right? So we have a 10 basic vowel in Korean, plus we have 11 more double vowel. So making up 21 vowel. So in Korean vowel, each vowel equivalent 1 syllable. So any Korean syllable word, the syllable sound can make a word. 자, for example, 자, everyone can read this one, right? 자, this one we pronounce 왜 sound, right? 왜 mean in English term, why meaning. So as you can see, one single vowel syllable sound means something already. Why meaning in English term, right? 자, let's practice some of only vowel contain vocabulary. 자, for example, 자, everyone can read this one. 자, you should read O, E sound, isn't it? O, E. 자, O, E meaning in English term, cucumber, right? 자, another one. 자, easy one. 자, this one. 자, you should pronounce E, isn't it? 자, I mean in English, child meaning. Yeah? 자, then another one. 자, you are. 자, you should pronounce you, right? You should pronounce you or are, right? 자, you are my baby. 자, meaning in English term, baby meaning, right? You are baby, right? 자, another one. 자, this one. 자, everyone can you pronounce this one? 자, you should pronounce your u, isn't it? 자, your u meaning. 자, one meaning English term, fox. The other one English for actress meaning. Oh, why the exactly same spelling word pronounce same meaning 2 different meaning? 자, because the origin is different. So one thing make Korean language interesting. We have 2 different origin. 자, based on Korean origin, Korean pure vocabulary meaning 여우 meaning fox. 자, based on Chinese based vocabulary, 여우 meaning actress. 자, do you remember up to mid 15th century we used to share Chinese letter. So still in modern day we have a lot of Chinese based vocabulary in Korean languages. 자, then second format. 자, one consonant, one vowel making one syllable in Korean. 자, let's have a go. The first consonant, this one, plus first vowel, this one, making up, 자, this one, right? 자, when you using consonant first and vowel second, consonant taking over vowel's location. That's why you can see here, right? 자, do you remember this L shape with different angle? 자, it's a G equivalent consonant, right? And then A behind. 자, then you together left to right direction writing. Then should be you pronounce ka sound, right? 자, Lady Gaga ka sound, right? Ka. Yeah? So G plus I-A, G-A, ka, right? 자, the third format, this time you using vowel first and consonant second. Then one syllable you can create it. 자, this time, 자, first vowel are, 자, another same consonant, this one, making up. 자, this time because the vowel comes first, you writing left to right, yeah, left to right, yeah, and then consonant should go bottom direction. So number one, number two. So should writing here, right? 자, very interesting writing technique, right? 자, when you combine vowel with the consonant, vowel left to the right, yeah, because you have to writing the circle first, right? And then consonant, you have to adding bottom direction of vowel, right? 자, then what's the pronunciation? And A plus K, so you should pronounce ak, isn't it? Ak, closing sound, right? Ak, yeah? Do you remember? This particular consonant has two different sounds value, right? 자, depend on where it located. 자, now it located ending, yeah? Ending sounds of a syllable. So you should pronounce K, closing sound, yeah? So ak, yeah? 자, then for the last format to create a Korean syllable is, 자, this time you're using two different consonants. 자, one consonant first, and the middle one vowel, and then second consonant making one syllable sound. Yeah? 자, let's give a same example. 자, first consonant this one plus 자, middle R vowel sound, and then closing same consonant. 자, then do you remember how to combine between consonant vowel, consonant taking over vowels location, right? So should writing down like this one, right? Left to the right direction, yeah? And then second consonant you go under, top to bottom direction, right? So should writing down underneath. So in the end you have to writing down like this one, right? So should be G plus A plus K. So should be you pronounce G-A-K sound, 각 sound, right? 자, totally, 자, now we explain all the 4 different formats to make a Korean syllable making method. 자, let's practice some of 자, word. 자, 자, 한국 보장법. 자, as you can see, this one, 자, you should pronounce 자, 그 sound first, right? And then A behind, and then closing with the N sound. So it should be 한, right? And then this one top to bottom direction, started from G, and then U, middle vowel, and then closing K sound. So it should be 한국, isn't it? 자, 한국 meaning Korea meaning Korea. Yeah? 한국 meaning Korea. 자, also my name in Korean. 자, can you read it? 자, how you gonna read my name in Korean? 자, my name. 자, starting from this H equivalent, right? And then underneath, right? So, sorry, E behind, right? And then second syllable is starting from H again, and then your sound behind. then closing ng sound, right? So it should be he, 형, right? So what about we learning foreign language, right? Korean as a foreign language. What we call foreign language? We call 외국어, isn't it? You should pronounce this one 왜 sound, right? Only vowel sound, right? And then top to bottom direction, this one you pronounce 구, yeah? Then sound behind. But what happened between consonant vowel? We have a linking sound, yeah? So you should pronounce this one more softer touch now, because not this one not anymore closing sound, right? So go to first sound. So you should read 한국어, isn't it? Yeah? 한국어. Sorry, 외국어, isn't it? Yeah? 외국어. So far, today we learn 4 different formats to create Korean syllable. A syllable is a very important minimum unit to create a word, right? Number 1, quickly let's recap together. We have 21 vowel in Korean. So each vowel can be make one syllable. So we have 21 syllable already. Yeah. One clear example. One of Korean vowel, 왜. Yeah. You pronounce 왜, right? Meaning why in English term, right? Number 2 format. One consonant plus one vowel making one syllable. 그, 밑, making 가 sound, right? G plus A making G sound, 가, right? And then third format. This time you using vowel first, one vowel first, one consonant making one syllable. vowel sound plus consonant 그 making 악 sound, right? This time. Why? This one using ending sound, meaning K equivalent, right? So it should do AK sound, right? So 악 sound, right? A plus K making 악 sound. So vowel first and then consonant go bottom direction, right? 1, 2, right? First format to create the Korean syllable. This time you're using 2 different consonant. One syllable. Still same example. 그 plus plus another, this one making this one, right? G equivalent plus A plus it located end of the syllable K sound. So should be G A K sound, 각 sound, right? Left to right, number 1, and then top to bottom direction, number 2. You have to write this one last. Yeah? So far today we learned 4 different formats to create a Korean syllable. I hope you guys study this one, and then I can teach you something basic grammar next time. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. 감사합니다. See you next time. Bye for now.